Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial we're going to be answering a very valid question that I received on my previous video, how to outline text in Canva. The question that I got was, can you fill in the text so it's not the same colour as the background? And the simple answer to that is yes. There are a couple of ways, and the easiest way to explain it was to make you a quick tutorial to show you how to do it. So here we have our text on the screen. It says fill in text. I'm using the font Horizon. So the first example I showed in my previous video was to go into effects and add an outline around your text. If you're going to choose this option, if you want this text to be a different colour, you need to change the colour of the text before you add the outline. So if we change that to pink, we can now go up to effects, we can add the outline, and there we can see it's put an outline around it, and from there we can change the colour of the outline to be any colour that we want. That's quite a quick and simple way of adding an outline to text and changing the colour of the text. In the second example, I made the text hollow. So I clicked on the text, I went up to effects and I made it hollow. So there's two ways again that we can change the colour of the text and fill in the hollow letters so they're not the same colour as the background. Because if we click on hollow now, it just makes the letters hollow and we can change the colour of the outline, but it doesn't allow us that way to change the colour inside of the letters so it's the same colour as the background. The easiest way to get around that is to select the text, head up to the three little dots here where it says more, click on that and you can duplicate the text. So now we have two copies. So for this copy, I'm going to change the colour of the text, and for the top copy, I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to make it hollow, and then I'm going to combine the two, and that's going to allow me to change the colour of the text inside of the letters and still have an outline. And again, individually, you can change the colour of this text to be whatever colour you desire, and you can also change the colour of the outline text as well. I really hope this has helped you and answered the question. If anybody has any more questions, feel free to pop them down in the comments and I will do my very best to answer them for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.